हम trends पता करेंगे category wise and then we can work into it to launch them as fast as
Oh.
possible.
But yeah, most brands do that, so that's an good insight.
Yeah, करें.
Huh?
Shamika,
Yeah.
sorry to interrupt. We just got a call from the warehouse that all the mono cartons for Imbalance Mini are in.
Okay.
The only thing is they were just confirming that the mono carton has the latest logo and the primary artwork has the old logo that we were working on 3 months ago.
Oh yeah, damn. But wait a second. I think we started this from the middle. Let's take you back to why we're in this position in the first place. Since the very start of Due, we've always been a very design and creative first brand. It's very inherent in our DNA, the visual world that we create for the brand, whether the social media, our website, and of course our packaging. Every touch point that the consumer comes across, we want to show with a design and creative first approach.
Tarana, I have been following up with Mallory like literally every other day for last 1 month. We don't have the revised new logo files. What's the final end date the suppliers had given us?
Before they leave for the Chinese New Year, we should have the design and the mold ready. Otherwise, the timelines will get pushed.
Made ready with development,
Yeah,
right? Which
yeah.
means if we need to put it this week into production because they take 35-40
Yeah,
days.
yeah.
ऐसे तो नहीं चल सकता timelines.
क्या करना है मतलब लोगों को आपको देखना पड़ेगा कि क्या करना है.
Maybe internally move करके we'll have to close थोड़ा baseline हो. Okay, let me speak to Sana. Sana.
हाँ शमिका.
अरे वो ना you're on the thread with Mallory also. So I am thinking that perhaps we move it in-house. Abhishek, Adarsh, both
I
have the
agree.
capacity. The overall foundation is ready.
Correct.
So basis that we can give a brief to Adarsh and Abhishek and let them take a stab at it.
Let me chat with the team and then we'll come
Let's
sit
do a
with you.
quick connect.
Quick working, yeah.
Thanks.
Done.
So we started the work on the rebrand, the foundational research work and all of that a couple of months ago. And we started working with this agency based in the US. And because I mentioned this new category, I really want to give it a very different, elevated look and feel. We wanted to work with agencies that has their ecosystem of culture references very different to than what you would otherwise see in India. But there have just been a lot of things dropping through pipelines, and because we're working in 2 different time zones and I'm working in another 3rd time zone with my suppliers who needs things at a certain timeline, multiple reasons, things were not being adhered, timelines weren't being adhered to, and things were falling through the crack, and we were kind of on a very tight deadline here because the category launch is happening next year. And I've also realized that, when very expansive creative projects like this, where inputs and creative thoughts and insights from multiple parties are converging, it is just a little easier if they are in one place. You know the DNA of your brand, the creative guardrails for your brand, so you can execute that with the best vision possible, and not a lot of it always when outsourced lands 100. Now with the logo and monogram upgrade, I want एक serif, एक sans serif में रहे, and very clean. Like the logo should, without making a noise, it needs to feel like it's just grown up, just like our audience has grown up. So here is like the mood board of the new line and category. So for the logo to fit seamlessly in this category and our current category, the malleability of the logo on any texture, surface, any color needs to feel very effortlessly blending in.
You're also okay with us creating the logo font, right?
Yeah.
Like
Because
taking
the font we
yeah.
usually like
Not using
some
existing
Hey, let's take a font, Sana, and then tweak it, customize it a
Got
little.
it.
How many days you want? 2-3 days?
हाँ like 3-4 days इसके अंदर मैं आपके साथ ऐसे मीटिंग करता रहूँगा to understand more
The direction is right or
direction
not.
भी
हाँ.
and कि like आप कैसी feels वगैरह आप convey क्या करना चाहते हो basically.
So keep showing me your working drafts. Once you love the direction, then you can keep refining it. ठीक है?
Shamika and I had vaguely been discussing a rebrand or a sort of a evolution, say, to become more refined, more premium, more grown up as we had evolved also with the brand. So yeah, I had some ideas on the lines of what can do justice to what we currently have, which is skin, and what we're working towards the other category that we're looking at expanding into, right? So we did a lot of mix and match of my thoughts versus Adarsh's, everything we had from Shamika on her outlook in terms of design, visual, where she wants to take it. And yeah, we're hoping we can work out. It's a great time to do a rebrand. Glad that we're doing it in-house. It lets us sort of belt it out or snap it out as we like to, slowly and steadily, and then sort of have a wholesome, rounded picture of it.
Let's go, guys. You better blow my mind today. I'm excited to see what you have worked on.
So this is what we are currently at.
Yeah.
This is the live logo which we have.
Yeah.
So like इसके साथ मेन प्रॉब्लम ये आ रही थी कि ये काफ़ी लाइक ऐसा लग रहा है कि बस एक फॉन्ट टाइप कर दिया हो. तो अब मैं अपने आइडिएशंस दिखा देता हूँ. फर्स्ट क्योंकि लाइक ड्यू नेम ही लाइक ड्यू ड्रॉप से डिराइव हुआ है. एंड ये था कि एकदम ही डिफरेंट डायरेक्शंस हो गए.
ओ में से क्यों ऊपर वाले?
Hey, but what
वो
is
है
this?
ना.
Joy.
Diyoy?
DU.
Anushji said we wanted to grow. Okay.
तो ब्लू के अंदर सबसे पहले लाइक कैप्स के अंदर देख रहा था क्योंकि ग्रो अप कर रहा है. तो बेस्ट वे टू कन्वे ग्रो अप इज लाइक लिटरली जस्ट अपर केस.
Yeah. And I'm also liking what you've done with the monogram. Like, I think that D is in the right, we can work on it a bit
Yeah.
more, but it's in the right direction.
तो क्योंकि अपॉस्ट्रोफी हमारा लाइक काफी सिग्नेचर था ना.
Yeah.
तो इसलिए क्योंकि वो ड्रॉप भी बनता है.
Also, I think my larger thought was that we're expanding, right? We're not limiting ourselves to beauty. So how do you show that limitless sort of thing?
तो उसके लिए अगर आपको यहाँ पर ऐसे दिख रहा होगा कि ये यहाँ से ऐसे पूरा एक इन्फिनिटी बन रहा है. एंड दिस वर द लाइक फाइनल वेरिएशंस की लाइक राइस वगैरह लाइक ब्लू एंड पिंक में लाइक हमारे
Yeah.
क्लाउड्स में कैसा लगेगा.
Not in black.
You know, it's subtle, it's not loud, but it still feels like, yeah, there's been a slight glow up.
So this
Let's
is the
try to
final-
mock it up on some packaging also, others.
Huh.
है ना? Especially the new category, but also how in the skin, like existing products भी कैसे
How it looks. Both bottles and mono cartons
Yeah.
also we'll have to, because mono carton we have the layout vertical, right? So we'll have to see how that fits in as
Yeah.
ठीक है.
Now that you're up to speed, let's continue.
Oh yeah, damn. I think what happened is something that we were expecting, and we knew this was going to happen, but just because it's in front of us, it starkly came through right now. And I think she must have gotten a call from the warehouse because the inventory has reached the warehouse and we're launching in 2 days. So they also noticed this, and so basically what has happened is the bottle of Imbalance has a different logo, which was our transient logo that we had for 2 months. At that time, we thought this was going to be our logo that we're settling into. And the Imbalance bottle, the mini bottle, went into production also 6 months ago. And the unit carton, the mono carton secondary packaging, this only got produced last month. We usually do this production when we're actually close to a launch because, you know, a lot of dates have to get printed on it. And that has the current upgraded new final logo, and they both are different. But it's okay. There was no way we could have avoided that. Once this the next production run for the bottles happens, the artwork will get updated with the new logo. So, you know, like doing a rebrand or like even a brand upgrade, logo upgrade, packaging upgrade while your brand is still live, kicking and functioning in the market is always it's a little tricky. It's like there's an airplane that's in flight and there's something wrong with one of the wings, and you have to fix it while your plane is still in flight. Like, you can't land the plane, but you still have to make sure you fix it or you will crash soon. So of course it's a bit tricky, and the reality is that all elements of your upgrade or brand rebrand don't get rolled out at the same time, because every product, every piece or component of every product's packaging is working on different timelines. The unit cartons that go versus the bottles that get produced, those usually happen 6 months before a product hits the shelf. So wo hota hai, but there is no fix to it unless you pause your brand, pull everything out from the market, then change everything and put fresh stuff out, which is hard to do. You will tend to go haywire when you don't know what is it you're looking for. But have at least a clear layout of what's your vision for your brand. And having that helps you narrow down even whatever options someone presents to you. So have that clarity in your vision of what you want. You don't have to know design, you don't have to be very creative, but you should just know what your vision or what is it that you want to build on the creative realm for your brand. And the second thing, less is more when it comes to branding. The fewer and the lesser and the leaner and the cleaner your design, the more minimalist it is, the more longevity the brand has.